I bet you that your brother is stronger than mine. It's a two-punch swing and a fist fight, alright. Laying on her bed, never really felt this uncomfortable.